As the Commanding General of U.S. Army Europe and Africa, I'd like to personally thank each of our exercise host nations for your hospitality and support of Defender Europe 21. Exercises like this are essential to building our readiness and our interoperability so that collectively we're ready to respond to any crisis that may arise. Your support shows the world we are truly stronger together.
From my perspective, exercise Defender 21 gives Slovenian military forces best opportunity for some very high quality training of my troops. It also scenario of the exercise that's perfectly aligned also with NATO view give us an opportunity to better understand geopolitical position of Slovenia, military threats, and connected with that also to understand better military mission and role of Slovenian military forces from wider perspective and from alliance perspective. And at the end, and as always, it's always pleasure to train with brothers and sisters from all those different ally and partner nations.
Building on last year's success, Defender Europe 21 will build readiness and interoperability between allies and partners and prepare our forces to rapidly respond to crisis and conduct large-scale combat operations if called upon. It will exercise U.S. Army Europe and Africa's ability to serve as a combined joint force land component command and as security partner in the strategically important Balkans and Black Sea regions, while sustaining our activities in Northern Europe and Africa. Defender Europe 21 will feature the participation of approximately 28,000 multinational forces from 27 nations conducting nearly simultaneous operations across more than 30 training areas in 12 countries. Exercises like Defender Europe 21 demonstrates that the U.S. commitment to NATO is ironclad, and that NATO allies and partners stand stronger together.
Isn't she pretty?